Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to view your Cursor AI usage statistics. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your browser and search for Cursor AI. From the search results, open the official Cursor AI website and make sure you are on the correct and secure site. Now sign into your account using your normal login method. Once you log in, go to bottom left and click on these three dots, and then select Settings. Once here, go to the Usage section. Depending on the interface, this option may appear in the sidebar, profile menu, or account settings. After opening the usage section, you'll see your usage details including daily spend, token usage, and model activity. The dashboard shows how much you are using each day and which AI models are consuming the most usage. You'll also see token statistics. Tokens are the amount of text processed by the AI, and longer prompts or responses usually use more tokens. If your usage is increasing quickly, try using shorter and more focused prompts, and that's it. So that's basically how you can view your Cursor AI usage statistics. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.